Pinafsha. Welcome to IWM Buzz. Big congratulations for this new reality show. कितना excitement है ये show को लेकर?
I'm very excited for the show. I think काफी time के बाद I am working with working as a host on reality. I just did a show on Travel XP, which was more about travels. This is again like connecting with the audience and like having them to play games. So that's like a really nice thing because like the excitement and the thrill and them winning prizes. So the concept is really fun and a part of the shoot is already done. So I'm very excited to for the show to air and for everybody to see how amazing the show is and how the masses are going to really enjoy participating in the games.
So Pinafsha, it will be a quiz-based show. So personally, how much preparation you have done for the show? Before going from the questions, have you prepared yourself and have you checked? From your side, have you done a quick check about the questions or about your knowledge? How much you know personally?
So obviously, it's not very complicated. It is going to be a simple game format, and it's not going to be something that people are going to really like. It's not going to be like a very complicated set of questions. We want those people to kind of play and win and have fun. So it's very simple. It's very easy, and that's the fun of the game because that way a lot of people can like give correct answers and a lot of them can win, and that's what we want.
So Pinafsha, how was your first reaction when you came to know about this project with the game having a fun twist also? So how you reacted when you know about the project?
So I was very excited. The team I'm working with is the people that I'm very close to already, and so they know me very well. They know my style, they know my hosting style very well, which is why I'm very excited to kind of start this thing with them, and like all of us really want to make a great show out of this. So when I got the first call, I was like, sure, we'll have fun. And I wasn't wrong because when we started shooting, we really had a great time. So it's gonna be a real hoot, and I'm very excited to be a part of the show.
So Pinafsha, when it's about the hosting the show, we always seen you that you always dressed up in a new avatar. Every episode we see the Pinafsha in a new avatar. So how you will be going to dress up during this season 2, and what will be the fashion mantra for this reality show?
My fashion mantra usually is just being very comfortable, being myself, having fun with what I'm wearing. It's never too complicated. I don't go with a particular style except for the fact that I wear clothes that I'm comfortable with, that I pull off very easily. It's casual yet a very it girl style that's added styling of this show, and it's very cool, and I want to stick by that because honestly, even while I'm hosting, I want to be comfortable. I want to move around. I want to have fun with the audience, so I want to keep it as comfortable and cool as possible. So that's it.
Okay. So I have a fun segment related to the Bollywood. So is it good to go from your side?
Yeah.
Can we play the fun segment?
Yes, please. Let the games begin.
The first Bollywood line is दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम. No sorry, no thank you. The options are कुछ कुछ होता है, मैंने प्यार किया, हम आपके हैं कौन, हम साथ साथ हैं.
I'm not too sure, but I think it's मैंने प्यार किया.
Yes, right.
Oh yeah, fast.
Okay. I am known as the king of romance. Who am I? I am known as the king of romance. Who am I? Should I give you options?
Yes. No. I know this answer. Can I answer?
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, the King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Okay. From where does Viru propose to Basanti in the movie Sholay?
Yeah, I need options for this.
Okay. Top of a roof, top of water tank, top of a building, or top of a ladder?
Top of a ladder. I
Yeah.
think it's on top of a. Uh,
जभी भी hosting की बारी आती है, what is that space thing you love about hosting?
Hosting is my sleep. I can do it in my sleep now. Like I can do it. You know,
Yeah.
you say bye haat tak khel, it's literally that. I've been hosting for a lot of years now. I started as an MTV VJ. I went on to do a lot of shows. I did international hosting shows. I've done a lot of hosting. You know, so it really is something that is very, very close to my heart. Will always be, no matter where I reach and what I do in life. It's always something that I started with. It's always going to be in my reach. So it's not that I'm trying to venture out into doing a lot of cool things right now, and y'all will know very soon what I'm up to. And y'all be very happy to know. But when shows like this come on board for me, where you know there's some travel or there's some fun with the audience, it's really feel good, very warm, and I really like to be a part of such things, you know. So hosting will always be close to my heart, and I'm really excited for this show that we're doing now.
Apart from hosting, any planning for the doing web show or some movie?
So I'm very particular about the decisions that I make, because I think that's a very important part of being in the industry, where you have to be very careful about each decision that you make. You can do a lot of shows, and you can keep going, but I want to do stuff that I can do 100% justice to, and that I can really and I really want to create an impact, because for me, art and passion, performing arts is something that I don't joke with. You know, I really love it. I really love it with all my heart, and I really have lots to do in this field. So there's a lot coming, which I can't disclose right now, but y'all will be very excited when y'all get to know. So yeah, that's it.
So can we say in the coming years we will see
in the coming year,
different characters?
I'm really excited for the coming year. There is massive stuff happening, and I can't wait. I've already shot for it, so I can't wait for you all to see it.
So thank you, Benafsha, for
Thank you
giving
so
your
much. Thank you,
time.
Shweta. Lovely speaking with you.
And all the best for your coming.
Thank you. All the
project.
best to you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.